Hey there, everyone. How's it going? My name is Jimbo. I'm a writer and reviewer for 1HKO, and today we're going to be reviewing the Gunnar Optics Fallout Vault 33 Edition Blue glasses. Now, I can honestly say these glasses are incredible. They have truly made gaming and day-to-day life more comfortable, more enjoyable, and I know you guys are probably sat there thinking, Jimbo, why are they so incredible? Like, what makes these glasses any different to all the other brands anyone else that's putting blue light glasses out on the market? Right now, what we'll do is we're going to get straight into it. We're going to go over the specs, we're going to go over the design, over the price, and then hopefully you guys can come to a decision at the end. Now, first things first is the price. You guys are looking to get these directly from Gunnar Optics. You're looking at around $99, or if you are in the UK, around £81. Now, I know that the price may be a little high for some people. I completely understand, but you have to believe me when I say that this isn't a purchase. It's an investment. Now, and I'll get into it why I believe it's an investment, and then obviously, again, you can come to a conclusion on that. But for me, it's 100% an investment. Not only are these glasses incredibly comfortable to wear, but they're also stylish and come with a list of incredible features. You guys are going to be able to see the features listed on the screen, but we're going to go over them together. Now, these glasses feature a retro futuristic wear style stainless steel and nylon frame material. Like I said earlier, incredibly comfy, but they sit so well around your ears. They're just incredible. They have Gunnar's patented lens technology, which you aren't going to find that anywhere else, which is one of the reasons why I think, for me personally, these stand out above any other company that are doing. Obviously, they've got the G Shield lens coating, which is anti-reflective and smudge resistant. It also blocks out harmful blue light and 100% of UV, which I don't just use these for gaming. I wear them if I'm working on the computer, if I'm working on tablets, if I'm watching any TV shows, anything like that. It makes the colours softer, it makes it more enjoyable. They really are good. See, all of this will help preventing digital eye strain. So again, if you're anything like me and you tend to sit up gaming a little longer than you should, then you're going to have no issues with falling to sleep, as your eyes are going to feel just as relaxed as when you first woke up. Obviously, there are officially licensed Amazon Studio Fallout glasses. These are for my gamers. You guys like the Fallout franchise. If you're a fan of it, then this is an item that you 100% need in your setup. It will go perfectly. Now, that's the specs and the price. That's that done. What we're going to do is we're going to move on to everything that you can expect to have with the glasses if you make this purchase. Everything included. Now, when you receive your order, you will find a collector's glasses case, which for me, it kind of almost looks like a loot crate, which is a really cool design. You'll obviously get the collector's microfiber pouch, a collector's microfiber cleaning cloth, and as you can see, all of this features the classic blue and yellow colors that you find on Fallout, and obviously the famous Pip-Boy. I think we all know who the Pip-Boy is. He's an iconic character. We all know him. I think Gunnar really nailed it with the artwork and the design of this product, and I think it works really well. Now, not only are you getting beautiful frames, incredible lenses, incredible artwork, the design, you're also getting a 24-month warranty, which, in all honesty, is pretty fantastic. I mean, 24 months, this takes us back to an investment. Now, in all honesty, that is everything on the product that has to offer. Now, if you are looking into these glasses specifically, if you are looking into any other Gunnar products, I do hope that this review's helped you come to a conclusion, come to a decision on what it is you're looking to do. Obviously, I do want to thank Gunnar for allowing me to review the Vault 33 blue light glasses. Obviously, I want to thank you guys for joining me on the review and sticking around and having a little look. Obviously, that's going to be everything from myself for today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wish you all an absolutely fantastic day. I'm going to leave you with a quick recap video of everything we've gone over. And yeah, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Bye for now.